Today we are in Edirne. It's the second capital of Ottoman Empire. And we are right now near the Tunca River. And as you see, there is a Tunca bridge right over there, and it was constructed in 18th century between 1608 and 1613. And it was constructed by Mimar Hacı Şaban. Mimar does mean that architecture, and Hacı Şaban was his name.